So I have these two treats. They're both chicken jerky. And as you can see, this is a great big bag here because there's not much left. So I have one there. And so I picked up this Milo's Kitchen, the chicken jerky recipe, and I want to see which one she likes the most. Now, who is she? She is my Addie. She's a husky. So I don't know which one she's going to pick. I'm going to be honest. Oh, okay. Well, she is a husky and she is very, very picky. That's what huskies are known for. So let's take a look at this. So I picked it up because, oh, there she goes. She's taking it outside. Okay. So here's the ingredients, and I'm just kind of taking a look, and it looks like I can probably pronounce most of these. So this is really nice. It smells like, oh my gosh. So it smells like a roasted chicken. I am not kidding you. It smells like roasted chicken. Like, I kind of want to try it myself. So these Milo's Kitchen chicken jerky recipe, this right here, when you open up the bag, it smells like roasted chicken. So I decided I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try it myself and see if it actually tastes like roasted chicken. Let's go. I have it. I'm actually trying it. So I can actually taste that roasted chicken. It isn't a very strong flavor, but it's kind of there. And I could tell you my husky, she prefers this over another chicken jerky brand. So if you're looking for something that tastes a lot like the chicken that we have, I highly recommend this because it's not bad. I'm probably not going to eat them every day because they are hers, but I do highly recommend these.